my channel. So I have another tutorial for you guys, and this one's a bit more exciting. So you may have remembered that a while ago I did a haul of like some stuff that I got after Christmas, a few products that I picked up, and one of the things, it was a beauty bay haul basically, and one of the things that I picked up was the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, and my god, is this the most beautiful palette in the whole world. Look at those colours, oh my god. Yeah, so this tutorial is basically using these colours. It's using a couple of colours from the palette. It's not using every colour from the palette. And I have had to add in like one or two like highlighting and like transition shades, but otherwise it's basically all this palette. Whoa. So yeah, I just used this bronzy shade up here, this paler blue shade here, the burnt orange and the really dark brown, and then this one, the lightest shade, as my inner corner highlights. So it's basically those shades, and I will be doing more looks with this palette because I have a couple more ideas in mind for this palette to use the rest of the shades. So yeah, this is the look. It's dramatic enough. A bit of a half cut crease, bit of liner, nice dramatic lashes, but yeah, I love it. I feel really glam right now. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off this look using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm priming my eye like normal, along my lower lash line and on my lid and all the way up to my brow. To start off the look, I'm using the Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Beaches and Cream on an Inglot 6SS or 4SS, the smaller of the giant blending brushes from Inglot, and I'm just buffing that into my crease as my transition shade, just because in this palette the transition shades are quite dark. I'm very pale, so I need a lighter one. And here she is. It's the Saharan 2 palette from Juvia's Place. So I'm starting off with the shade Taza, which is the burnt orange. I'm taking that on a MAC 217 and I'm applying that to the outer corner and into my crease. And look at that pigment, oh my god. And bringing it quite far into my inner crease as well. Next I'm taking the deep brown, which is called Fez, and I'm taking that on a slightly smaller blending brush and applying that same to the outer corner and into the crease, but keeping it to the deepest portion of my crease. Still bringing it quite far across into my inner crease as well, because we want that to be nice and dark when we do the cut crease later on. And then I'm going back in with my 217 with what's left of the orange on it and using that to blend out the brown. And then taking the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in NW15, and on a little lip brush I'm using that to carve out my half cut crease. Trying to get where the edge of the cut crease is to be really sharp, and then blending it along my lid as well. Now these next few shades I'm not even going to try to pronounce because I'm just going to butcher them, but I'm taking the bronzy sort of shade in the palette and I'm applying that right next to where the colours are on my outer corner and along the centre of my lid as well, making sure that they blend into each other but still being able to see the difference in texture between them. I'm then taking that light blue shade from the palette, which has a slight gold shimmer to it, and applying that on the inner third of the lid, blending that into the brown as well, or the bronze, but keeping that nice harsh cut crease. I'm then taking Urban Decay's eyeliner in Roach and applying that in my waterline, and also bringing it a little bit between my lashes on my lower lash line. I'm then taking the dark brown shade Fez and applying that as close as I can get to my lashes and smudging out that liner. I'm tidying up my lower lash line and my under eyes and getting rid of my dark circles using the Select Cover Up Concealer. then taking MAC's eyeshadow in Blanc type and applying that to my brow bone to highlight and lift my brow a little bit more, and also using that to blend out any harsh edges. I'm taking the white gold shade from the palette, the lightest shade, and applying that to my inner tear duct area just to brighten and highlight that area. I'm just using the e.l.f. lip exfoliator, the minty one, just to get rid of any dead skin off my lips because they were really dry for this video. For my liner, I'm going in with the Inglot AMC Gel Liner in 77, which is just the blackest black liner you can find. And I'm lining my upper lid and making a decent enough wing, dramatic enough so you can still see it when you have your lashes on. I'm then taking my new favourite mascara, which is the Pennies or Primark Lash Contour Mascara, and applying that to my upper and lower lashes. I popped on a pair of the House of Holland EYLURE lashes, the lovely ones. And then I'm taking the Inglot Liquid Blush in 86 and popping that on my cheeks and just buffing that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. To contour, I'm using the NYX Blush in Taupe, and I'm taking that on a Real Techniques setting brush and using that to carve out my cheekbones a little bit more. To highlight those cheekbones and make them a little bit more emphasized, I'm taking the Sleek the Solctise palette, and I'm taking the shade Subsolar, which is the peachier highlight because it's super intense, and applying that to my cheekbones using a Real Techniques setting brush again. Onto the lips, I'm going in with MAC's lip pencil in Plum, and I'm lining my lips and slightly filling them in, just very slightly. And my lipstick is going to be the MAC Liptensity lipstick in Driftwood. I love this formula of lipstick, it's so nice and moisturising. And that's your finished look. Alrighty guys, so this is your finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll have a full list of products linked down below for you guys. Probably not linked, but a list of products anyway. I will have my Instagram and Facebook linked down below if you want to give me a little stalky stalk and get a few more up close pictures of the eyes and stuff like that. Yeah, if you did like this, then give me a big thumbs up and hit subscribe and leave a comment down below, tell me what you think of it. I will be doing, like I said, more videos using this palette, and I'm hoping to have a little haul up because I have a couple more little bits that I got as well. I'll also link that haul video as well down below so that you guys can see what I got in that video as well, so what will be coming up in future videos, because like I said, I have a few bits now that I want to use and do a few looks for. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!